What's up, guys? We got a full moon tonight. Happy Halloween. Awesome. So this video is pre-recorded. I want to make sure I had this footage before Halloween just in case something happened. But there's a couple houses. Actually, you know what? Now that I say that, let me throw my hazards on. There's no one around right now. But there's some very cool people in my neighborhood. They're doing Halloween stuff this year. This one might be kind of hard to see with the low light, but it's just cool to see all these people decorate. And there's one particular house that goes crazy every year. They do like a huge display, and I've shown them previously in you know, past years. And this year they did a giant pirate ship, which I thought was really neat. So as I get a little bit closer, I'm going to turn the camera back on and we'll take a look at that. All right, so I'm getting closer to the house. If you guys hear the static in the background, that's because I'm tuned into this house's own personal channel on FM radio. Let me turn up a little bit here. As we get a little closer to the house, you can start hearing it now, but they have their own audio, their own track. There we go. Probably see it up ahead here. I am going to swing around though so I can get a better shot for you. But they built like a 40-foot pirate ship here. All right, let me swing around so we can get a safe shot at this. I'll be right back. All right, so the bad news is I turned around here. However, the song from Pirates of the Caribbean just came on, which I know is not copyright free. So unfortunately you can't listen to the pirates as we're looking at them. You know, at least not if you're making your own YouTube videos, but check this out. Let me pull over for a second here. I'm gonna take a look at this display. It is something else. Make sure I'm in park so I don't roll into the bushes while I'm showing you this. So you gotta see this thing. It is super cool. They got the fog lights going. They have all of their ambient light. You can see the Kraken, big old tentacles coming up over the ship. You have to excuse some of the cars passing in a second here, but it is just, it's wicked. It is really cool. I pass this all the time, and every time I see it, it's just as cool as the first time. But obviously at night with all the lights and everything, it's just awesome. So just wanted to show this a little bit more in detail. You can see all the different pirates. I mean, they built this thing entirely out of pallets. And watching the progress, you know, week after week, they put all this time and effort into this. It's just really cool. It's really awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Wanted to wish everyone a wonderful, safe, happy Halloween. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take it easy, guys.